From 1 p.m. Saturday, 21st of August 2021, Regional Victoria will join Melbourne's lockdown and will have the same restrictions. Changes have been introduced to slow the spread of COVID-19 by reducing the number of people leaving their homes and moving around Victoria. You can only leave home for one of the following 5 reasons: shopping for necessary goods, health and medical purposes, or get a COVID-19 test. In an emergency, including those at risk of family violence at any time, caregiving or compassionate reasons. Authorized work with a permit or permitted education. Exercise once a day for 2 hours. If you need to leave home, you must wear a face mask inside and outside. Please do not have any visitors at your home. If they do not live with you, they cannot be at your house. This is very difficult for all of us, but if we follow the rules, we get tested if we are sick, and we get vaccinated, we can stop these lockdowns. It is safer to connect with the friends and family using phone calls, social media, and video calls. A stay-at-home curfew is in place for metropolitan Melbourne between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m., but not regional Victoria. Victorians may also leave home to visit their close partner or their single social bubble buddy. If you live alone or are a single parent, you can create a single social bubble by nominating one other person to be a part of your bubble. You can have the person you form a bubble with visit your home. Your nominated person can be from a household or share house, and you are also able to visit them in their home, but only when they are alone. If both you and your single social buddy are single parents, your children can be part of your bubble. Shopping. You must stay within 5 kilometers of your home for shopping. You should stay as close to your home as possible. For example, shopping at the nearest supermarket. Only one person per household can leave home to get necessary goods and services. They can leave once a day, which means people can't go many times. If you are unable to leave a child, children, or a person in your care unattended, they may go with you. You can go with someone to shop for support, if necessary. For example, an elderly relative. Exercise. You must stay within 5 kilometers of your home to exercise. You must limit your outdoor exercise to no more than 2 hours per day. Outdoor playgrounds, outdoor skate parks, and outdoor gym equipment are closed. Gyms, pools, community centers, entertainment venues, and libraries are closed. You can exercise with one other person plus children. This person can be a member of your family or a friend who lives in another house, as long as you both do not travel more than 5 kilometers from your home. If you are exercising with someone else, you should keep at least 1.5 meters distance between you. Do not hug, kiss, or shake hands. If you are a parent or a guardian who is caring for a child or someone who cannot be left unattended, then they may go with you. Healthcare. You can leave home to receive healthcare or attend medical appointments, including COVID-19 vaccination appointments or get a COVID-19 test. If you need to see a doctor or healthcare professional, you should do so. Do not put off getting medical care. Your doctor or healthcare professional can provide advice on how to stay safe. You can leave home to care for a sick or elderly relative. If you provide care for someone, you should try to keep at least 1.5 meters between you when you can. Wear a face mask. You can leave home to take someone for essential medical treatment if you are a parent, guardian, or necessary support person. You can take a pet to the vet. The 5-kilometer limit does not apply to care and healthcare. You can leave home in an emergency or receive urgent emergency medical care. Work. A list of who is considered an authorized provider or an authorized worker is available online. All authorized workers must carry a permit that is certified by their employer whenever they are traveling to work and attending work. This is required from midnight on Wednesday, 25th of August. If you are an authorized worker with a permit, you can leave your home to travel to and attend work during curfew in Melbourne, if you work in Melbourne. You must carry your permit and photo ID with you all the time when you're traveling for your authorized work. More details will be shared when the government announces further information about the work permit. If you can work from home, you must work from home. You can go to work to collect the materials or equipment you need to work from home. The 5-kilometer limit does not apply to work. Education. All schools are closed except for vulnerable children and children of authorized workers or authorized providers who can attend for an on-site supervision. Universities and TAFEs are closed. Childcare and early education centers will open for vulnerable children or the children of authorized workers only. An authorized worker permit is required to access childcare and early education center. This updated permit will be available shortly on the authorized worker permit page. Other ways to stay safe: keep at least 1.5 meters between yourself and others. Never ever go out if you are unwell, unless it is to get tested. After you get tested, you must go straight home. Check in using Service Victoria app. Remember that the most important thing you can do is to get tested, even if you have the mildest of symptoms. For example, a runny nose, a sore throat, a headache, or a temperature. Please get vaccinated as soon as you can. If you have any questions or need any help, please call Diversitat on 03 5260 6000.